cloudy.
Oh my.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Adams County in west central Georgia until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Long Cane, or near Lannet, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors.
Is that a new buzz?
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations
I think it is.
include LaGrange, West Point, Rocky Point, Piedmont Heights, Cannonville, State Line Park, Abbotsford, Long Cane, and Southern Harbor. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A severe thunderstorm
Hold on.
with all-size hail and 60
Okay, I'm not
miles per
getting it
hour.
any better in here.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Well, darn it.
Expect wind damage to roofs.
Okay, yeah, I guess it was just interference.